Okay, Mason. Do you have any special ingredients that you want to get for our extreme baking? Any special ingredients you want to get?
No.
No? Westy, what about you?
No.
No? What about from that list that I just read you? Like the zebra cakes or the monkfish liver pie or
Everything!
Whipped cream?
Everything.
What do you think about whipped cream? Should we skip the whipped cream?
No, let's do everything.
Everything on the list?
Yes.
Well, I don't know if we're gonna find zebra cakes or monkfish liver pie, but we can try. Or what about earthworms? Are we gonna cook with earthworms?
Yeah.
Yuck. Mason, what do you think? Should we eat earthworms?
Yeah.
Yuck. Well, you guys have no imagination. You have no imagination. Should we go into the farmer's market now? Or do you
I
guys...
want to do face paint.
Let's go do some face painting then. Come on, let's go find the face painter.
I want Batman face paint.
All right, guys. Let's get in line for the Facebook. Are you gonna?
Daddy.
If you want.
What?
All right, Mason. Let's get out of here.
No, stop.
Stop what?
Daddy,
Ow.
Daddy.
What?
Daddy,
What?
Daddy, Daddy.
This is gonna be a fiasco,
Daddy,
guys. Yeah.
Daddy, you know what? Westy bumped into me, and then he gave me a kiss.
He bumped into you and then he gave you a kiss? Was that nice? Good. Good for you, Westy. See, sometimes you can be gentle. A gentle giant. All right, let's go.
Gentle giant.
Look. Mason, there's the lady that makes the swords. Let's do it.
Makes the what?
The lady that makes the swords. All right, we're gonna do a little shopping. I can't video and hold kids and shopping bags at the same time. What do you need, West?
Which face paint?
Which one do you want to get? It's a sort of a tough choice.
That one.
What about the elephant face? This kind of looks good.
Mm-mm.
Which one? This one? All right. Good, we'll pick the dragon. Mason, which one are you gonna get? Nice, that's a good choice.
It's Two-Face.
Two-Face, oh yeah. Hey guys, do not eat off of that table. That's disgusting. Stop. Stop. A million people have touched that. Don't. Okay. Hey. Chill out, guys. We gotta get our ingredients.
Ow! My arm!
Mason, stop hurting your brother. Guys. Cool. All right, can we go get our ingredients?
No.
Popsicles are over here. Okay.